What's up guys, welcome back to another We Talk Keto in 10 brought to you by Zara Physique. Now today we decided to do keto cheddar cheese balls rolled in bacon. Now you know a lot of snacks we cannot actually put into our keto diet plan because of the amount of carbs that have, but you should not worry because there are a lot of other healthy and delicious options out there. So today we're going to show you how to make a very simple keto snack with only a few ingredients, and it is very easy to do. Now let's get started. So this recipe only has 2 grams of carbs, only 2 grams of carbs guys. So first we melt our butter. Alright. What? It's supposed to be rolling, right? Yeah. It's like I lose my cooking touch for a while. It's been so long I haven't done a video. It's been so long. Now if you don't like any bacon, then you could also roll your cheese balls in some chopped herbs, Parmesan cheese, or some nuts, Right. You know what I forgot? I forgot my apron. You'd have to make the bacon very crispy in order to chop it up. Chop it up. Ooh, be very careful. All this. My God, man. I decided to put on my apron because the grease from the pan is going on my clothes. So it's better to protect yourself, especially your skin. Be careful with the oil from the bacon and the butter. Okay, now that we have finished frying our bacon, we're going to add everything into a large bowl, including the grease that you use to fry the bacon in, or the butter that you use to fry the bacon in. You're going to also add it into a large bowl with the rest of your ingredients. Now we used paprika, because it gives a very smoky and nice flavor. But you could also use a teaspoon of black pepper or a teaspoon of chili flakes, and that's optional as well. Okay, now after put everything into a bowl, we're going to put it in the fridge for 15 minutes, and then during that time we're going to chop our bacon. Butter at room temperature. Cheddar cheese. Now for this, like I said, you could use any flavored cheese that you like. And half a teaspoon of paprika. Then we mix. I think for this it is better to use a hand mixer, but that is if you prefer. Came out pretty well. Nice. Now we're going to roll our cheese into balls. So here I'm using a little scoop. here you have it. This is our keto cheddar cheese bacon balls. Now we made 7 balls. If you would like more balls, you could put your cheddar balls a bit smaller to get a bit more. Now keep in mind this has only 2 grams of carbs, so it is perfect for a snack. If you want to see more videos like this, check out the description below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, We Talk Keto. Facebook and Instagram, Zar Physique, and our blog, wetalkketo.com. And as always, thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.